Hello student, in the lecture series of heat transfer, last time we had seen the three-dimensional heat conduction equation in Cartesian coordinate. And according to this derivation, for anisotropic material, we have a result that is dabba by dabba x kx dt by dabba t by dabba x plus dabba y ky into dabba t upon dabba y plus d dabba by dabba z into kz into dabba t by dabba z, sorry, here we want dabba z plus q bar is equal to rho cp upon dabba t by dabba t. Now if I write it down the same equation for isotropic material, then what should be the equation? We know that isotropic material, for that thermal conductivity are same. So kx is equal to ky is equal to kz. That means in all direction thermal conductivity is same, that is k. I denoted. So this equation will becomes, k will be keeping outside, so k inside the bracket dabba t by dabba x plus k dabba by dabba y inside the bracket dabba t by dabba y plus k outside dabba by dabba z inside the bracket dabba t by dabba z plus q bar is equal to rho cp dabba t by dabba t. Sorry. Okay. Now if I divide all the term by the k, so I will get, this will becomes dabba 2t, this will come inside, so dabba 2t upon dabba x square plus dabba 2t upon dabba y square plus dabba 2t upon dabba z square. K will be get cancelled. Here is no k, so q bar upon k is equal to rho cp upon k dabba t upon dabba t. What is mean by k upon rho cp? In previous I think so third or fourth video we taken down the thermal diffusivity. At that time we know that k upon rho cp will be in thermal diffusivity. So I will take this rho cp at a denominator, so I will have k upon rho cp, so that is nothing but the thermal diffusivity. So I have a equation dabba 2 upon dabba x square plus dabba 2t upon dabba y square plus dabba 2t upon dabba z square plus q bar upon k is equal to 1 upon alpha. Alpha is thermal diffusivity, which tell you about how sluggish or faster response of the material to change the temperature. So this will be the equation for isotropic material in 3 dimension when there is an internal heat generation at steady state or unsteady state. Now for this one, if I write it down del operator, so this will becomes a del 2t plus q bar upon k is equal to 1 upon alpha dabba t upon dabba t, where del 2 is nothing but the Laplace operator, or del is nothing but the Laplace operator, which is dabba by dabba x dabba by dabba y plus dabba by dabba z is Laplace operator. Laplace operator. Now if I want to reduce this equation, I will have a 3 different equation. In that first equation is nothing but the Fourier equation. According to the Fourier equation, when there is no internal heat generation will be take place, that means q bar is 0, that equation is known as an Fourier equation. So this equation will becomes del 2t, q bar is 0, so I have 1 upon alpha dabba t by dabba t. Then second equation is nothing but the Poisson's equation. In Poisson's equation, when we form a Poisson's equation, when the heat transfer is in steady state. So when the heat transfer is steady state means time is not dependent on, temperature is not dependent on time. And already we seen that the temperature when it is not dependent, it is in steady state. So your temperature will becomes a constant and derivative of constant will becomes 0. So your this equation will becomes del 2t plus q bar upon k is equal to 0. This equation we called as an Poisson's equation. This is very important equation. We will need this equation in further videos. And third equation that we have is nothing but the Laplace equation. So in a Laplace equation, both internal heat generation is 0 and heat transfer should be at steady state. Heat transfer should be in steady state means del T delta T by delta T is equal to 0. Now equation will becomes del 2T is equal to 0. Now if I write it down the one dimension Poisson's equation, then already we write it down the equation Poisson's del 2T upon q bar. This is for 3 dimension, that is delta 2T upon delta x square, delta 2T upon delta y square plus delta 2T upon delta z square plus q bar upon k is equal to 0. This is 3-dimensional Poisson's equation, but only for one dimension, let's say x direction. So y and z direction we have to neglect it. So this equation will become a delta 2T upon delta x square plus q bar upon k is equal to. If I want to calculate the heat transfer in y direction, then it will become delta 2T upon delta y square plus q bar upon k is equal to 0. So this is one-dimensional Poisson's equation in x direction. Now this is the end of 3-dimensional equation in Cartesian coordinate.